Meeting planners want to know what you speak about. eSpeakers keeps a master list of hundreds of topics, and you can select up to 6 of them on your profile. When you go to eSpeakers.com and select My Profile on the left-hand side, you can go to Topics and Experience. You'll see you can select up to 6 topics and drag and drop to place the most important topic first. The order is essential. If you want to add another topic, you can remove a topic, and then you'll get the option to add another one. You only need to select a single topic, but you can choose more topics if you speak about other things. Some speakers like to use all 6 topics, so they rank higher in more searches. Other speakers like to use only 2 or 3, so meeting planners can see they are focused. Both are good strategies, but be aware that your choice does say something about you. Remember, you should have a program for each topic you've chosen, and we'll review programs in a later video. Down here, you can also select up to 4 industries where you have work experience. In your eSpeakers profile, it's possible to make different bios with individual messages for each topic, so that potential buyers searching for that topic will see content that addresses the topic that they're interested in. You can have entirely separate text for each audience benefit statement and a full bio for each of your speaking topics. When an event organizer searches by topic and views your profile, if you have a bio for that topic, that is what will be displayed. Speakers often have very different pitches for different topics, and these topic-specific bios enable you to customize your profile for those topic-based searches. The list of topics isn't the only way that buyers search for speakers. They can also find you through the keywords used in your profile. Populate your eSpeakers profile with keywords, the words people use when searching the directory, and you will improve the likelihood of getting shown in the eSpeakers directory when people are searching for those topics. Let's look for a keyword. I'll go to eSpeakers.com/marketplace and search for wrestler. When I search for wrestler, it's going to search the database to see if anyone has that keyword in their bio. There's Zeke, our demo account, right up there at the top. When a buyer searches our marketplace directory for a topic, even ones we don't provide as topics, you will come up in the search if your profile has those keywords within it. These are the areas our system searches: the audience benefit statement, the full bio section, your program titles, and your program body. If you have experience in blockchain or the military or pantomime, including these keywords in these locations will help you show up in more searches.